Hey everyone, as promised, here is Throwback Thursday, and today we're going to be talking about one of the most important people in paleontology. That's right, we're going to be talking about Othniel Charles Marsh. He was born in Lockport, New York, to a modest family, but he had a relative that he was lucky to be related to. This guy here, George Peabody, and if you think that name sounds familiar, it's probably because it is. He was a super famous rich guy. Anyway, he paid for Marsh's formal education at Yale College, where he received a bachelor's degree in art. That's right. Art. However, he did receive a Berkeley scholarship, so he went on to study geology, mineralogy, and chemistry, which makes a lot more sense for a paleontologist. In fact, fun fact, in 1866 he was appointed the professor of vertebrate paleontology at Yale University, making him the very first professor of paleontology in US history. Sweet. That very same year, at his suggestion, the Peabody Museum of Natural History was founded and he was made one of the curators. Today we call this the Yale Peabody Museum of Natural History, as it is part of Yale University. So Marsh went on to write 400 scientific papers and named about 500 new species of fossil animals, including many of our Morrison Formation favorites, such as my personal favorite, Stegosaurus, one of the world's personal favorites, Brontosaurus, Brontosaurus's well-known cousin, Apatosaurus, one of the coolest carnivores in Dinosauria, Allosaurus, take that T-Rex, Iguanodon's lesser-known cousin, Camptosaurus, my personal favorite dinosaurian carnivore, Ceratosaurus, Brontosaurus and Apatosaurus's much larger cousin, Diplodocus, Dryosaurus, an early ornithopod, and Dryosaurus's teeny tiny cousin, Nanosaurus. He also named several of their families, including Allosauridae, Camptosauridae, Diplodocidae, and Stegosauridae, as well as 4 famous suborders, Ceratopsia, Ceratosauria, Ornithopoda, Stegosauria, and Theropoda. He also had several named in his honor, but only Marshosaurus here has stood the test of time. The rest of them have been lumped in with other genuses, such as Othniel, which is now Dryosaurus. So some of them just got put into other groups. But this one still exists, so we do still have a Marshosaurus. And that is, at least in part, some of Marsh's history. I'll probably go into more when I do stuff on the Bone Wars, because damn is that exciting. Anyway, fossilized later.